Okay, I'm already on page 358, lesson 8.5, example 2. Remember that we are interpreting division with fractions, so we already went over the first, oops, not this one. I went too far. We already went over the first page for the lesson. Now we're going to start working on page 358. Okay, example, write a story problem, then draw a diagram to solve. So we need to draw a diagram. First thing that we need to do before drawing that is that we are going to, okay, write a story problem that goes with this number sentence, 4 divided by 1/3. Okay, step 1, choose the item you want to divide. Think, your problem should be about how many groups of 1/3 are in 4 holes. Possible items: 4 sandwiches, 4 feet of ribbon, or 4 pies. Okay, whatever we want. Okay, whatever we want to pick. Okay, I'm just gonna pick 4 pies. Okay, and then step 2, write a story problem to represent 4 divided by 1/3 using the item you chose. I chose 4 pies. Again, you can choose 4 feet of ribbon or 4 sandwiches. It's up to you. Describe how it is divided into thirds and ask how many thirds there are. Okay, so I'm going to start by writing John has 4 pies. If he wants to give each person one-third of a pie, how many people will get pie? Okay, so this would be my word problem that goes with the number sentence. This one right here. Okay, step number 3, draw a diagram to solve. Okay, so in this case, we're not going to use a related multiplication sentence. We're going to draw a diagram. Again, the dividend will tell you how many pies I need to draw. In this case, I have 4, so I draw 4 pies. 3, 4. Okay, the divisor tells us how we need to divide each pie into. I need to divide it into 3 pieces. Okay, so I get the first pie and I just write out capital Y in the middle. Sorry, it's very hard to, oops, I have to do this again, to draw with the mouse. Okay, I don't have the pen. So, okay, here we go. All right. And the last thing I need to do is I just need to count how many equal pieces these pies have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so there's a total of 12 thirds in the 4 pies. So that would be my answer. Okay, it's very simple to use a diagram to find the answer to a word problem. Okay, so that's how we do it. All right, example 3. Write a story problem, then draw a diagram to solve. Now, in this case, our dividend, it's a fraction, and our divisor is a whole number. Okay, step 1, choose the item you want to divide. Your problem should describe 1/2 of an item that can be divided into 5 equal parts. Okay, we can use half of a pizza, half of a yard of rope, or half of a gallon of milk. Okay, and I'm going to pick the one in the middle, 1/2 of a yard of rope. Okay, so write a story problem to represent 1/2 divided by 5 using the item you chose. Describe how it is divided into 5 equal parts, then ask about the size of each part. Okay, so we can say Lupe has 1/2 of a yard of rope. She divides it into 5 equal pieces. How many? Not how many, sorry, no. What fraction or how long? Okay, what fraction of a yard is each piece? Okay, so this would be the word problem that goes with my number sentence, 1/2 divided by 5. Okay, step 3, draw a diagram to solve. So to represent 1/2 of a ribbon, a yard of ribbon, I'm going to draw a rectangle. Okay, and of course, I am going to divide it into 1/2. Okay, and this is the piece of ribbon that I am going to use. Okay, 1/2. How do I need to divide this 1/2 by? I need to divide it by 5 pieces. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the same thing I need to do with the second half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I look at my numerator on my fraction. What's my numerator? 1. So that numerator tells me that I just need to shade 1 piece. Okay, to find the answer and to find the numerator of my answer, I count how many pieces I shaded. 1. Okay, so that's my numerator. Okay, and to find the denominator, I count how many pieces are all together in the diagram. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's my denominator. Okay, so each piece of this ribbon will be 1/10 of a yard. Okay, all right.